just came back from the last work trip of the year. We have another package to review. Oh, it's a dog car seat cover by Amadaw. So we're gonna try it later in a car and we'll see how it is. So I have this huge GMC Sierra Ultimate. This is the biggest and most luxurious version of this pickup truck. Look at the leather work here, beautiful double stitching. So I'm gonna try this car seat on this truck and bring a special guest you'll see later. Let's see. So let's see how this is gonna work. I had another product similar to this before, not as luxurious as this actually. Here's a QR code for instructions and support from the company. Looks like a very simple process. You have straps that go on the headrest up here and in the back, and then you have a flat surface that actually becomes like a box in here. So let's see. The guarantee from the company, you scan the code there and you can get it. Here are the straps. 1, 2, 3 of them. This is the flat surface that goes underneath. It comes in 2 pieces too. And the actual hammock or seat cover, however you wanna call it, obviously has 2 sides. This side is rubberized, so it will stick to the seat. Let me take this out of the way. So let's see. This one goes here. You can adjust. Same thing here. There's a zipper here when you insert the hard part. Let me unhook it first, it's gonna be easier. And now we have a hard cover on there. The straps go here. And here are the zipper for the sides. So it's just like a jacket, sort of. There it is. More here. I'm gonna go to the other side too. Please, actually, let me adjust this a little bit here, tighter. Our guest for this trip is a large dog, so he's gonna need all the space. Let me put this down here. Okay, so now this side. Okay, now it's done. I think, let me double check everything.
¿Quieres correa?
No. Oh, wait.
Good boy time.
There you go. See? This is perfect because he's so big. He doesn't fit in many cars, I don't think. Right?
No.
Okay, let's go, Simon, for a little ride.
He's perfect for the dog.
I'll bring him back. So here's our passenger. So even though he's pretty secure back there, it's always a good idea to put a leash, and you can attach it actually to the strap, so in case of an emergency braking or something like that, I mean, the dog will not jump over the front seats. This is a big truck, so I need all the help with the cameras and everything to park correctly here. So I just realized that I should have put the hard part on the front so he can have support here, because obviously he has it on the seats, as you can see. And now we're here at the dog part. We're gonna take him out for a little walk. So I'm gonna take this strap off, take the zipper down. Simon, come on. Okay, he was able to jump. Come on. Back to the dog park for a little bit. So again, as I said, I put this the wrong way, and actually this is for the front too, you can tell. So let me unstrap all this and put it the correct way. Wait, come here. Wait, Simon, wait. So there he goes, and again, here's the hard support in the front. And in case you had a small dog, you have this screen that you can open so they can look where you're going. Let's go back. Hi, Simon. Okay, we're back home here. Good job, Simon. A good dog model. Okay, you're home.
Good, Simon. Wait. Good boy.
He jumps the whole. Wait. Let me take this out first. Little zipper. Can you jump, Simon?
Yeah, he can come. Let's go. Come on, Simon. Good, Simon.
Come on. Hi, Simon. Did you like it? Yes. I'll walk him later.
What time should I feed him?
I don't know, whenever you want. I come later. I'm here all day. So as you can probably tell, Simon, who is a gray lab, silver lab, he sheds a lot. You can see some of the hair here, some of the water that he spouts. So this cover does the job. It really protects the car. We'll take it off now. So as you know, this is not my car, and that's not my dog either. So I'm taking this off, and we're gonna donate it to the vet. And my friend Marta Sanchez, the best vet here in Miami. Let's go there now. Okay, here we are. Animal clinic in Miami, the best place for your dog.